So all the actual birds live in the rain. However, it's winter right now. So at the reservoir, it is more quieter than in summer. It is fact why my reservoir is this quiet in winter because lots of these birds migrate south in autumn or even winter.
There's fewer people here in winter as well, aren't there? People don't want to go out in the cold. It does get very cold here with the wind. Cross over for a bit, see who's on the other side?
Yes.
Okay, let's go now. That car gets there. Chop chop.
But if the birds that are used here may have migrated
Well, there are definitely fewer birds here than there are usually. There's some up here. Oh look, a Canada goose. There is a Canada goose still here. lapwing. Do lapwings migrate?
I don't know.
I don't think they do, because I've seen them around still. I can see the cormorants down the back there. Very hard to get on the camera, but they're there. Oh, lapwings on the move.
The rest of the Canada geese migrated south.
Quite possibly.
There is only one Canada geese in the Swan enclosure.
Yeah. Though they do sometimes gather on that field up the road, don't they? We sometimes see them there when we're exploring. It's a very happy looking goose.
Migrated south.
Yeah. Right, should we cross back? Over we go. You see how much the water's moving today? That's the wind pushing it around on the surface like that. Also, it's a reservoir, so it doesn't have a current. Yeah, I think it will continue spreading at least until the end of winter. Oh, pardon me. And then we'll have to see. Oh, grebe. There's a grebe out on the water, can you see? Oh, it just dove under. Come back, little grebe.
I think it's time to close the video.
Quite zoomed in.
Alright, audience, the bird watching is over. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the orange notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel so you never miss any of my videos. I'll see you. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.